how to dispute a Cash App transaction. So what we want to do is go to our transaction history by clicking on the clock item in the bottom right corner. Then here find the transaction which you want to dispute. I'll do this one as an example. Once we have the transaction itself open, click on the three dots here and then go into Cash App support. Now once we're taken to this page here, we will use the search bar to search for dispute. And we want to submit a new dispute here. And it's going to show us this: if your dispute is denied, you're entitled to submit a new dispute. Please tap contact support below to submit a new dispute with any additional information. So we can just click on chat here and we will explain that the transaction itself was fraudulent, or whatever the case may be for you. Here you'll just type it out and then you'll send it to Cash App support, and that's how you dispute a transaction in Cash App, and they will get back to you and tell you if they can do anything about it. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.